I'm going to show you how to use the 4 weeks bridges. First of all, where to locate it. It is in the links tab. So just scroll up a bit and electrical. Click onto the pop-up and it will lead you to your planner. But however, you have to be shared. Each planner or each spreadsheet will have 7 days. Sunday is where you control the entire week of dates. So if you actually just use the drop down, you can see it's every month. This spreadsheet actually just look for week 1, which means that if you have selected some breaks, when it comes to another week 1, they will neither be on or they would have holiday, really. And if you actually just use the filter and select all, you can actually see all the people who are not working, because the tick is actually other people working. And when you actually come to print it, what you do is you will shorten the list by deselecting the cross like this. Yeah, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the control and then the add button to check the formula. And as you can see, everything is done by formula. So, but however, the break time, sometimes the formulas which I actually input, the breaks time might not match. So you can actually do your own break time if needed. Just going to pull this down. Yeah, control and the add button again. Control and the add button. Yeah, I would encourage you just to keep these numbers in, because it actually show you the frequency of somebody appearing on the spreadsheet. Yeah, so using this spreadsheet is very easy. When you've got a new partner coming in, all you have to do is click here to select a person's name. That's it. You've got to drop down, and once you have done that, it will look at the planner to deliver the rota time just here. But if you need to insert a name in between a list of people, for example here, you could actually just insert a row above. Okay, copy. Let's just say you run out of blank spaces here. Just copy the formula like this. Select the entire row, paste it on, and then choose a name. And that's how you do it. We'll delete this. Now bear in mind that all of these is reading from somewhere. Control at, you see, I've centralized all of this on from another page, which is in electrical here. So if you go to this one called a root note, you can actually deselect the pass. You see, whatever you type, you just find the date, find the event and type it in. This spreadsheet will find the date and deposit whatever you got on what activity you have, you will just deposit it. So when you actually change to another set of dates, this will go, because on the 27th of August, You got no events. You've got nothing on here. And 27th of August, if you go here, it's 28th. Control and then add button again. If you can see, these are text. So it doesn't matter how you turn the dates. It will always be constant here. So I'm just going to put the formula back. Control and add button. So when you're actually using this planner, it's very easy. All you need to do is go to Sunday and start to change the date. That is it. And then what you do is you just start to give people their breaks like this. Yeah, so it is actually very, very easy. If you need to check the formulas, control and then add button. Now this time is actually because it's Sunday, they have 45 minutes. So my formula might not predict the correct break time for these people. So it's fine to overtype them in that case, because some people actually have flexible working. For example, here, I prefer to have the numbers to count the frequency of the name being appearing. Yeah, control and then add button. So you see, once you actually that shouldn't be a date. That should be the word filter. Get rid of the cross. Okay. Now whoever is in on this day, it is represented by a tick. Yeah, so it's actually quite easy to use in my opinion. But whenever you finish using it, printing it out, just select all so you can see all the names again.